सरकारान आमच्यो समस्या पयस केल्यो नात जाल्यार आमी नोव्हेंबर म्हयन्याचो धान्याचो कोटा उबारचे नात अशी शिटकावणी मुरगांव म्हालांतल्या रेशन दुकानदारांनी बिरेस्तारा घेतिल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिली। वेगवेगळ्या कारणां खातीर गिरायक रेशन दुकानां कडेन येनाशिल्ल्यान रेशन दुकानदारांचेर रेशन दुकानां बंद करपाची वेळ येवपाची भिरांत तांणी उक्तायल्या। सरकारान 1 ऑक्टोबर सावन रेशन कार्डाचेर धान्याचो कोटा वाडयला, पूण रेशन दुकानदारांक दिल्ल्या POS मशिनांक लागून खुबश्यो समस्या निर्माण जाल्यात। 12 किला बदला POS मशीन फक्त 9 किल दाखयता, ताका लागून दुकानदारांक 3 किल कशे दिवचे हो प्रश्न पडला। हे मशीन खुबशे फावटी चलना, ह्या मशिनाक लागून आमकां त्रास सोंसचो पडटा अशें रेशन दुकानदार संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष गांधी हेनरिक्स हांणी सांगलें।
It is stage today, the time when we have reached to close down the fair price shop unless the government makes them viable. We had a meeting on 1st of October. 35 members were present and we have served a letter to the director saying that if you do not look into our problems, in the month of November, we are not going to lift the food grains for distribution. This letter was inverted on 3rd of October in the office of the director as well as in the office of our inspector of Murmugao, giving detailed explanation as to why the fair price shop have become uneconomical. First point is, with the introduction of the POS machines, the public are having a lot of problems in the form of old man, sick person, somebody is working, unable to come, cannot delegate his servant or his relative or his neighbor to come and collect the food grains. Second is the punching is made mandatory, so with that the people have to wait in queue. Third, the food grains that we give is just 9 kilos per ration card of APL family, and as far as BPL concerned, we give 5 kilos per person. There are families with 10, 12, 6, 7, 5 BPL, they collect 5 kilos per person, taking 35, 50, 60, 70 kilos at a time. Whereas APL card holder comes and collects only 9 kilos of rice and 5 kilos of wheat. This issue we had raised before the previous Minister for Civil Supplies, Mr. Govind Gowda. Mr. Govind Gowda then called the director and told the director this is a genuine difficulty of the fair price shop and increase that to at least 15 kgs per family.